So we have 3 centimeters difference, this side from that side. And we are almost in place. A lot of bad things going on.
Very bad.
For
Roca size.
a little bit filler.
Everything is okay. You know why it's okay for Rocas? Because his Honda looks the same.
Japan.
So we're gonna have first official test drive. Japanese cars were built to be towed by German engineering. Yeah. Hello. Apollo, say hello to everyone. He's not in mood right now. It's the same like Toad with us, not in mood right now. Because we have to work and Rocca's doing some kind of shit. Stop messing around.
Don't believe him.
So
He's talking
today
nonsense.
it's time to put back together almost whole front end, the headlights especially, because we are going to get it on the trailer, and it's time for body works. At first the radiator support has to be welded in, and after that everything must be painted. And the problem is that we still don't have the front bumper, and we are not able to find it. And we even tried to order it from United States, but the problem is that we received the answer, the status of our order, that the bumper is back order and it's not available right now. So we have to work with what we got, and we must move forward. As you remember, the engine already running, car can run by itself on the trailer. The only thing what we are not going to do is we are not going to put radiators, the coolant, anything yet, because there is no point, because everything will have to be removed again in order to paint it, to weld it. So we are going to just put everything together. Fenders, bumper support that we received. In that case, we will be able to check the gaps and fix what's wrong with them. Okay, let's go, let's dig in, because we have plenty of work and not too much time today. Apollo, please help us. Standing here and just waiting.
Open the boxes.
Please bring some parts, mister. Today I'm going to work also. I hope it's gonna be a little bit faster. I always working, but I'm doing that with PC and everything else. And guys working with the cars, but today we have to push a little bit and do it faster. We're going to use this one, and it's gonna be repaired. As you can see, it has little dent over here, but it's really easy fixable, and there's no point of buying the complete new fender just for this tiny piece. So the body repair guys going to fix them, such dents and scuff marks like these, and it's gonna be perfect, like brand new.
You have these plastic parts or no?
Maybe it's part of this one, the one you have.
Don't look like that. Or it could be this side.
Not the side, right? Okay, so right now we have a huge Lego over here. We have tons of old crashed parts, tons of new parts.
Tons of broken plastic.
It's a huge mess right now. Slides don't know what to film, we don't know what to do. We're trying to organize everything. And what we decided is to take the both fenders to prepare them, add all kind of pieces like this one, which is bumper holder and maybe headlight holder. So we are going to prepare these parts, and after that we will try to continue, and we will try to find everything. Where should which part go, right? Okay.
Right.
Could you please stop making a mess, because it's a huge mess already? Apollo, thank you for helping Toad with this. Looks good?
Yeah.
Not broken?
No dent.
Okay.
Oh, but it's black. Why it's black? The car is blue.
You fucking racist motherfucker.
You're the racist. I didn't mention anything about that.
Apollo is also black.
I can take this plastic clip out.
I don't know. If it should be like this. Yeah.
So we need to put more parts, and we'll see how this part is done.
Visually it doesn't look like little bent or something. And there are no marks or anything like that. Still strange. We will give it for the guy who will do final measurements, and we will see. Because right now it's not right. Completely not right. Any difference? Huge? 3 centimeters? Okay.
All Gucci.
Okay, so we put both fenders, and you can see that this fender gets over here completely normally, and the gap is quite good and everything is alright, while this corner is completely messed up, and maybe it needs some pulling because this bolt also not in correct place, so it still requires body shop work. We did some measurements previously when we did the front radiator support removal, and it was okay, so this point is okay, but something else is definitely not, so maybe this part has to be pulled. Those were also measured it from the tire, both sides, so this is definitely not in the right place, and it has to be fixed. But not for us. We did our best, but we're gonna leave it for professionals to make it perfect.
Let's continue.
Let's continue. That side is a completely different story, and we are looking to this side. Everything is messed up.
There is nothing what we can put in place.
On that side,
All good.
but you know, this part is not
And
supporting anything.
Missing some parts here. So.
Yeah. I'm still thinking what to do with this side. Let's put the bumper support. It's a huge mess, and we are trying to figure out what to do. This corner is completely not right, but we're still not able to figure out what's wrong with it.
So we have 3 centimeters difference this side from that side. So I think we just try to a little bit pull it over with all good plywood. And now we can check what we did, and we are almost in place. These points are correct, so with this part we have to be correct also.
Masterclass.
For now it will be okay. Later the body shop will correct millimeter to millimeter. So we can try to put headlamps.
Let's try this. But maybe not the old ones.
Maybe we can check the old ones.
No.
No?
No, look at this shit.
Part by part, put together, and
It's a trash can. Shiny.
but this is not the right side. Very nice. Now we know how it looks.
Here.
A lot of bad things going on.
Very bad.
So, like Justinas mentioned, this corner is really messed up. We can't put even a headlight.
It's fucked up.
One bolt is alright, second very, very bad. So we will think how we can correct that.
Maybe let's check the better side. This one looks way better because we have one point here.
Yeah, it's alright. Not a fender,
Also
but
this corner needs
it's
to be
broken,
fixed.
so maybe everything is good.
You can see from our faces that something is definitely not right. The body guys have to figure it out because the sides are a little bit too far away from each other. We found the dimensions of these two spots, and it's too wide. It's interesting because when we measured between the pillars, everything was fine because I think both of them are on the sides. So that's why it seems okay.
Same measures, so it's very strange.
Yeah, it's almost 1 or more than 1 centimeter too wide to the sides, and the headlights are not in the right spots, and everything is not completely right.
Also, this fender is
Bent?
bent. I think that part is also bent. Here it is very huge gap between the headlamp.
Yeah, so I think there's nothing much for us to do anymore. We can put it on the trailer and get it to the body shop because we don't have any right tools
And right knowledge.
and the right knowledge to do that.
I have. Maybe Rokas have knowledge.
Yeah.
6 packs of
And
beer.
you have your colleague over
You
here.
know, my eyes are like a laser. I can
Yeah, it's
catch
the same with
every
Apollo.
millimeter.
Yeah.
No, Apollo is like that. Mine like that.
Apollo has wide view and you have narrow view because
Like
your
the-
eyes
like the
get
horse.
no, you get narrow. So yeah, we thought that we're gonna do more today, definitely. We wanted to put on the headlights, but we don't want to mess them because of the fenders. Yeah, guys, let's get on the trailer. Enough of talks. Toda wants to go home as soon as possible, I can see. And
Already late.
oh, look at the gaps right now.
But oh, yeah, also.
But
Almost the same.
This one is very bad.
look at this side. Oh shit. Oh shit.
4 hours, it's okay.
For our size.
A little bit filler.
Yeah, so there's something definitely not right, and it has to go inside.
Everything is okay.
For you, you know why it's okay for Rokas? Because his Honda looks the same.
Japan?
Okay, let's go.
Winter is coming.
So we're gonna have first official test drive.
First run.
Very nice. Very good test drive.
Very good run. You reached speed limit.
Now we're gonna test drive it on proper car, BMW, because you know Japanese.
No. Don't talk about Japanese bad. Japanese engineering is very good.
Very good, the best.
Really? Very good.
All Japanese
Germany.
by German.
Germany.
Yeah. Japanese cars were built to be towed by German engineering.
Yeah.
And let's talk a little bit about what happened today. So as you can see, the car is ready to get into the into the body shop. It's already in our workshop, the best in town. Yeah, Slice, what do you think? Yeah. Of course. So stop making a noise, I'm trying to talk.
We're working.
Rokas. And yeah, so we thought that we're gonna put in the headlights, but we are not able to do so because something is definitely not right with the position of the fenders, and we still need to find out how to fix that together with the body shop. As you can see, we want to do as much as possible progress, but not everything goes according to plan. And sometimes we have to work on such things, work on what we have, and do what we can do. And this is what happens when you work with project cars, with wrecked cars, with burned cars, with any salvage cars or race cars. It's always the same. You never know. You're always finding something new, and it's a long progress. It takes lots of time, and you have to deal with that. You have to accept that and be prepared for that. So I think guys gonna wrap the car to the trailer, and I'm going to grab something to drink. I know, because Totwe is driving today. Yeah, Totwe?
No.
Totally is driving, Rocky.
Totally driving, yes.
Enough for today. We are going to get the car to the body shop, and you are going to press that subscribe button, push notification button, and in that case, you are never gonna miss any new episodes when we receive car back from the body shop, from the paint shop, because these are two different ones. The car gonna get to the body shop for frameworks, and after that we are going to bring it for the paint. So at the next episode you're gonna see a car already painted and ready for final assembly, right?
Yep. Straight to the streets.
Rokas, remind everyone, don't forget to
Press that like button.
subscribe button.
Subscribe button. And ring that bell. And crank that beer.
Okay, thank you and see you next time. Bye.